Hey guys, it's Sam here. Today we are on top of Sammy's cage. For people who don't know, I have a piece of plywood board which is on top of the cage, so I can put my dab bits on top. If you watched the ripping chat which I posted on Friday the 11th, forgot what day was it, you will know that Sammy did get out of the cage and rip it up, but as we've got it sorted, that's all fixed. I do apologise for shaking. So this is from Amazon, these down cutters up front. So I'm just going to start, I'm going to unbox all of them, but I'm going to start off with this one first. Yeah, so what's got, it's three of them. Three down into, I know I haven't bought many, it's because I'm trying to get them done and finished. But yeah, I thought, you know what, let's just buy some. So this one came like this. As we open it up, our diamonds and all that. So this must be a new way of packaging. I don't mind it this way, but what I do hate is that big line in the middle of the picture. So I'm just gonna roll it back and see if I can fix it. But yeah, I'm slowly coming back, I'm slowly getting the groove. Yeah, it's just that. So what it is, as you guys can see, it's a deer. And we have a thumbnail up here. We have two legends, two colour codes here, just have 26 colours. We have this thumbnail there. It's a deer with loads of flowers. It's a date by 40. And the symbols look nice. So you have to put on this, so symbols are assuming on the symbols. But the stick test. Sticky. The only thing I do hate is putting this plastic back down because it doesn't seem to go down very well. So that, I can't remember exactly how much I spent on that one, but I'll leave the links down below. Everything I buy is always linked down below, so feel free to check the description box for that, since it's okay. Baggies, pen, we get tweezers and squishy, and yeah, these trays, so as you see, it looks like it's swapping it up a bit, because this tray has a cut in it, a little sprout thing, so they look like they're changing the trays up. As well, you get the multi places and stuff like that in there. So yeah, so that's that kit. I don't normally keep them, but yeah, we're gonna go into diamonds. I like the way they stuck the diamonds on the like hidden label instead of, I don't know, just looking at this. Well, yeah, I've noticed as well, the smaller packs, not like this one jumbo pack together, so that is nice as well. So I'm going, first of all, see this code, this G412./26, that is the code for the top of the canvas, which is the, for people, if you store your diamonds separate, you can store them separate. But what I'm going to do, there's no DMC on the bags, but there's DMC on the canvas, and all that means it's just a diamond number. So I'm going to flip them. Just so you guys can see, this is a round. So yeah, I think I did order square, but I'm not 100% sure. Just put them back here, and then just back here. That's that little pack there. And yeah, so what I am planning, there's gotta be changes, right, to the channel. Put them there for them. You guys, if you can't, I'm gonna do a shout out list at the end of each video now. And to be a part of that list for day of the week is you guys have to comment on a video. If I see comments, people commenting all the time, they get the shout out at the end, which would be like a thing with your name on it. I'm not asking for nothing, it's just literally going to be a slide at the end of every video, and it'll have your names on it, who shouts out in the previous video for the previous day. So this will be going up, say this goes up on a Tuesday, Monday video, I'll check back with the comments and I'll dingy the list and upload it. So if you comment on every video, you stay on, if that makes sense. I'm going to try out, see how it goes. And yeah, this is the last bag of diamonds. I'm going to try it that way. So all I ask is just you comment and get the name. Okay. It'll be your YouTube name. So if you guys comment and thingy, your YouTube name will be on there. And it'll be my way of saying thank you to everyone who is supporting my channel. So that is the deer. Yeah, we'll put that there. So it'll be my way of saying thank you to all you guys. I've definitely got a squid in there. What are you? The other one. Do this one next. So I'm digging at, I typed in last night when I was looking squares, and I was just trying to work out if I've got a squares picture. So this one I seen on Amazon, and the picture is, do apologise for last week. Do apologise, but yeah, it's a new. Okay, yeah, this is orange. I almost got orange. So I'm a huge fan of tigers, if you know me, or cats, and yeah. So I want to see this one. I thought I'd try it. Let's see what it looks like. I think it's a new one on Amazon, this. But yeah, here's the picture. I do apologise for that glare, but that's what it looks like. It looks like paint splatter. So we do have the thumbnail, the size, and then down both sides we do have the thingy. And then just, that's how clear the symbols are, okay? Oh, come on phone. How clear the symbols are. Just stick test really fast. Nice and sticky. And I just noticed these have different symbols. So number 15, I do apologise for my sister shouting, is the cut off corner. Actually, oh, and I've seen this one in Diamond Club once before, but yeah. So with this toolkit, we get 2 pieces of wax, a normal green tray, pen, and some baggies. And yeah, I'm gonna go through these because I honestly thought I ordered a square. Oh, this is just to square it out. These are round as well. Right, again, same. They have their code on top there on diamonds as well. So that is one. Okay. And it's one big strip as well, so here we go. So yeah, there's some of the colours. With this one, I honestly thought it was going to be like a dark pink, due to the fact of the colours. But yeah, it's lovely. So this one, I'd have to kit it up and get it done as well to see it, and then I will show you guys as a all my done. Over there, put this over here. So what I'm planning on doing is getting, if I do it order down painting, getting the order done as a one big order, and then see the results. I think this one is going to be round. Yep. You all know it's coming up that time of year again. And I honestly, when I seen this one, I was debating on yay. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the Bleach, but I got this one. So it's a polar bear. I do apologise for the glare. It's a, well, not assumed in, still a little bit of it. There we go. It is a polar bear skating with saying that snow. We have our 2 colour codes. We also have a thumbnail. The size, these are 30/40s, and the gel feels quite nice. And there's a sticky. Getting nice and sticky. So this is a Christmas one. I don't know we do Christmas. In this we get a tray, wax and pen. And I forgot to cut them. And our round is another round. So yeah, I was stuck to square one up. So my plan of action. Right. Again. So again, the DMC in there, but there it is, and they do have the same code. Always check the codes before you downpick, because that's the thing. So these are the colours for this polar bear, and yeah, I spent ages since I did an unboxing. So we have our down. Thank you. So these are the colours of the polar bear. Nice bright colours. I'm going to put that to the side. There. I'm going to bring these paintings back up. So we have Let It Snow, Our Dear, and the Let It Snow. There you go, you can see it like that. So the plan of action is to try and get these 3 done, and then I can do post review separate, and then at the end when they're all done I will pull them all out as a thingy, as a review of Amazon, see if Amazon have changed any good qualities. I think the last canvas I've worked on, which I know is from Amazon, was the Blue Roses, or was it? Oh no, my birthday one, which is here. Which was this one, which I worked on, and it's missing a letter. One of the keys is gone. Yeah, so I have got to find that number. I fixed that. The glue was worse on this one. So yeah, I'm hoping the number popped off. So I'll look to the light. No, just that one key which I need to fix. But that, when I was working on this on my birthday, I actually kitted up. I was working on it because it's got my birthday tape around it, and it wasn't feeling very, the glue wasn't feeling very thing, and yeah, as you guys can see, one's popped off already, so I need to replace that. But the plan of action would be to see that if that's just that canvas, with these, so I might kit the polar bear one up. Let's see, and I actually got this on my birthday, opened it up, I did have wrinkles in the back, like this, so what will happen is once I start placing diamonds, it goes heavy and heavier. But yeah, I need to replace that diamond. But yeah, I'm hoping what it was just a glue. It was just the glue on that canvas. So yeah, that's the plan of attack. I will probably be back and kit one of these up. But yeah, if you comment on the video before and I see your YouTube name, you'll be meant in the shout out bit at the end. So please comment, please thingy. And yeah, so the plan of attack now is to, I think I'm gonna kit the polar bear up now. And yeah, so I've got that one ready for my thingy. All links will be linked down below, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even though I don't post much on there, and these links. And yeah, the kit up should probably be time lapsed. So we're going to start off with this little snow bear first to see what it's like. It's the glue I'm thinking of, and I don't think I've got any washi tape to match it. That'll be a thing, so I might have to do galaxy tape that one. Yeah, so I'm going to kit this one up, and then I'll probably do these two as well, and then I'll come back with perfume. So everything will be linked down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.